Hey there, explorers! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of blockchain technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and groundbreaking world of blockchain. Imagine you have a super-duper secret message to share with your friends. It's something really important and you want to make sure it stays exactly the same. You want to make sure everyone gets the message and that nobody can change it. This is crucial because the message needs to be trusted by everyone. So, what do? How can you ensure that the message remains unchanged and everyone has the same information? You write down the message and give a copy to each of your friends. This way, everyone has the exact same message written down. Now, everyone has the same message. It's like having a shared secret that everyone can see and verify. If someone tries to trick you by changing their copy, you can easily check yours and your other friends' copies to see the original message. This way you can always find out if someone is trying to cheat. That's the basic idea behind blockchain. It's like a shared record book that everyone can trust. Everyone has the same information and it's very hard to change without everyone knowing. Blockchain is like a digital notebook shared with many people. It keeps track of information in a way that is transparent and secure. It stores information in a special way that makes it very secure and trustworthy. This means you can rely on the information being accurate and unchanged. It's like having a superpower that protects information from being changed or tampered with. Imagine having a shield that keeps your secrets safe. Now let's break down how this amazing technology works. We'll explore the different parts of blockchain and see why it's such a revolutionary tool. Let's imagine you just got a brand new toy. Awesome! It's shiny, colorful, and exactly what you wanted. You can't wait to play with it. Every time someone buys a toy, we can write down the details of that purchase. This helps us keep track of everything. We'll write down things like the name of the toy, its price, and even the store where it was bought, the date it was bought, and who bought it. This way we have a complete record of the purchase. We can put all this information into a special container called a block. Think of it as a digital storage box. Think of a block like a box where we store information about something that happened. It's safe and secure. Each block is like a page in our digital notebook. We can add lots of details to each page. We can put lots of information on each page, making sure nothing is left out. And when the page is full, we add it to our notebook. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. In blockchain, these pages are linked together in a special way to create a strong and secure chain. This makes it very difficult to change any information once it's added. Now that we have our block filled with information about the toy purchase, we need to understand how to add it to the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger that everyone in the network can see and update. Remember our group of friends sharing the secret message? In a blockchain, everyone in the network has a copy of this digital notebook. When a new block is ready, it's like sending a message to all our friends saying, "Hey, there's a new toy purchase." Everyone gets notified. Let's add it to our notebook. But before we add the block, everyone needs to agree that the information is correct. This is like double-checking with our friends to make sure nobody made a mistake or tried to change the message. It's a way to ensure trust and accuracy. Once everyone agrees that the information is accurate, the new block is linked to the previous block, just like adding a link to a chain. This linking process ensures that the information is secure and cannot be altered without everyone knowing. Once linked, the new block becomes a permanent part of the blockchain, making it a reliable record of transactions. That's why it's called a blockchain. Each block is a link in the chain, creating a secure and transparent system. This system ensures that everyone can trust the information recorded, making it a powerful tool for sharing and verifying data. Section 4. Many notebooks, the power of decentralization. Remember how we talked about everyone having a copy of the secret message? Well, in blockchain, instead of keeping all the information in one place like on one computer, it's spread out across many computers all over the world. Think of it like having many notebooks, instead of just one. Each person in our group of friends has their own notebook with the same information. That way, if one notebook gets lost or someone tries to change the information in their notebook, we still have many other copies to refer to. This makes the blockchain super secure because it's tough for anyone to cheat or change the information without anyone noticing. Section 5. Permanent markers. Understanding immutability. Now here's another cool thing about blockchain. Once we write something in our digital notebook, it's like using a permanent marker. We can't erase it. Once a block is added to the blockchain and everyone has agreed on the information, it cannot be changed or deleted. Nope, not even with a magic eraser. This special feature is called immutability, and it's one of the things that makes blockchain so trustworthy. Because the information is permanent, we can be sure that it hasn't been tampered with and that it's an accurate record of what happened. Section 6. Real-world blockchain. From packages to products. Blockchain technology is used in many ways in the real world. Have you ever ordered a package online? Companies can use blockchain to track your package every step of the way. Each time the package moves to a new location, that information is added to a block. So you can see exactly where your package is at all times. Blockchain can also be used to verify where products come from. For example, imagine you're buying a chocolate bar. Blockchain can help ensure that the cocoa beans used to make the chocolate were grown sustainably, and that the farmers who grew them were treated fairly. How cool is that? Section 7. Conclusion, a safe and trustworthy technology. So, there you have it, the basics of blockchain. It's like a shared, secure, and trustworthy digital notebook that helps us keep track of information and make sure it stays accurate. From tracking packages to ensuring fair trade, blockchain is being used in more and more ways every day. And the best part is, it's a technology that's built on the idea of working together and trusting each other.